Mark your calendars, Google is dropping the Pixel 10 lineup on August 20th. Get ready for the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro 40, and an all-new Pixel 10 Pro 4. But that's not all. Expect the Pixel Watch 4, the upgraded Pixel Buds 2a, and some slick new magnetic Pixel Snap accessories to complete the ecosystem. It's shaping up to be a full-blown Pixel takeover. Let's start with the base model. The Pixel 10 features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood is Google's latest powerhouse, the Tensor G5 chip. You'll also find a triple camera setup and a telephoto shooter offering up to 20x zoom, all powered by a 4970 mAh battery and 29W charging. Here's where things get even more interesting, and even a snap ring stand. Think MagSafe, but the Pixel way more practical and more fun. These magnetic accessories open the door to all kinds of modular add-ons, wallets, power banks, even frameless protective cases. It's not just about charging anymore. Your Pixel becomes your personal productivity hub, fashion statement, and charging station all at once. Now let's talk zoom, because Google's not playing around. According to trusted leaker Evan Blass, both the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL are capable of 100x zoom. That puts them shoulder to shoulder with Samsung's Ultra lineup. With Google's AI image processing, speaking of displays, the Pixel 10 Pro offers a 6.3-inch QHD Plus panel, while the Pro 40 jumps to a massive 6.8 inches. Both models come with periscope zoom lenses, up to 1TB of storage, and 16GB RAM. On the pricing front, the Pixel 10 Pro will retail for around $999, while the Pixel 10 Pro XL could set you back $1,199. That's premium territory. But with top-tier hardware, storage, and software features, it's aimed directly at Apple and Samsung's flagship base. One of the biggest upgrades is in the chip itself. The Tensor G5 is being manufactured on TSMC's 3nm process, ditching Samsung's older, less efficient nodes. This change promises massive leaps in processing power, thermals, and battery life. Expect smoother gaming. Google is throwing in a MediaTek M85 modem, another break from Samsung. This switch means stronger connectivity, better reception, and more stable internet on the go. It's a clear sign that Google's doubling down on performance and reliability this year. While the Pixel 10 sees a major camera upgrade with its new telephoto lens, the Pro models disappoint a bit by sticking with the same setup as the Pixel 9 Pro. That's a letdown for photography buffs, especially compared to rivals like Vivo or Oppo. Despite that, the overall package is still compelling. You're getting Android 16, powered by Material U's expressive design. The UI is clean, fluid, and uniquely Pixel, adding fast charging, sleek accessories for gamers and power users. The combo of Tensor G5, large battery, and fast 37W charging on the Pro models add in improved thermals and smart software features, and this may be Google's most refined phone yet. So what's on your radar? Are you leaning toward the more affordable Pixel 10 or eyeing the beastly Pro XL? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More Pixel updates are on the way, so stay tuned and peace out.